Okay, everybody, this is our last assignment for the semester until we take our final next week. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the Chapter 14 PowerPoint, which discusses environmental health, which is on online. What we're going to do is we're going to develop 5 questions and use Google Forms to develop a short quiz. I'm going to do the first question. So you can use my question, and then basically all you have to do is come up with 4 more questions. And what you want to do is you want to have the questions come from this information here on the PowerPoint. For the first question, I decided to focus in on the thinning of the ozone layer. And the ozone layer is important because it shields the planet from ultraviolet radiation and um, CFCs, which are chlorofluorocarbons, have destroyed or have hurt the ozone layer. And basically, those are refrigerants or man-made products that we used to use in refrigerators and freezers. And it's taken 20, 25 years for those gases to get up into the atmosphere and affect our ozone layer. So I wanted to come up with a question for that. So what you're supposed to do is you go to your Google Drive, okay, and you're going to click on New, and you're going to go to where it says Google Forms. And once Google Forms comes up, you're going to give it a title. We're not going to try the new Google Forms because I haven't tried that yet. But we're going to title this Environmental Health Quiz. Click OK. And we are ready to go for the first question. The first question, I'm going to write the Earth's ozone layer, which shields the sun's hazardous UV rays, is being primarily destroyed by. There's my question. Now you can pick a variety of questions here. You can have a text, paragraph, multiple choice. You could turn the multiple choice into true or false, but I'd like for these 5 questions to be all multiple choice. So I'm going to go option 1, and my first possible answer is ultraviolet radiation, which is not true. Second option, we're going to write in chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, which is the answer. And then the third one, I'm going to put in O3 atoms, which is what the ozone is. And then we'll just throw in ground level ozone. Okay, so that's my first question. I want to make it a required question. And now I'm ready to go down and start a second question. Here's my first question. Now I'm just going to put in just a few, just to give an example. Is the sky blue? Yes. No. Of course, your second question is going to have to do something with environmental health, and we can continue to go on. And if you're considered done, we're going to have 5 questions right here. I just have the example of 2. If you want to view it in a live form of what it would look like if somebody took it, as you'll notice, this is the same setup we use for our midterm, and it'll be the same setup we use for the final. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this short quiz. The Earth's ozone layer, which shields the sun's hazardous UV rays, is being primarily destroyed by CFCs. Is the sky blue? Yes. I'm going to submit that answer. Okay, that answer has been submitted. Now, if you were to have a bunch of people take your quiz, it actually in live time adds those, and you can look at viewing responses or a summary of the responses to get data from your quiz. So here it says one response, which is what I just did, and it shows the two questions. Okay. Or you could get it in a spreadsheet form, which is view responses. There's the spreadsheet form. Okay. Now, when you're done with your 5 questions dealing with environmental health and you're ready to send the form to me, you would click send form. You would copy and paste it. You would go to Blackboard where it says Google Forms, and you would submit it as an assignment submission. Okay, 5 questions. Environmental health. Try to configure those remaining 4 questions from the notes we have here. If you have any questions, please text or give me a call. Thank you.